Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I will show you step by step on how to create a documentary style character animation just like the ones used by Dhruv. This effect is great for adding a professional engaging touch to your video, so without any delay let's get started. First, import your main clip into CapCut. If you need high quality assets you can find them on my WhatsApp channel. I have left the link in the description, so make sure to check out. To create the animation effect, hold the Alt key and drag the clip upwards to make a copy of it. Now select the copied clip, go to BG remove and enable auto removal to remove its background. Next, import the character image you want to use. Just like before, remove its background to turn it into a PNG file so it blends seamlessly into the video. Now let's add a text shape to label the character. Create a new text layer and delete all the default text. Press the Windows key plus dot. At the same time, this will open the emoji section. Select a straight line emoji from here and rotate it to position it under the character. Change the line's color. I will go with the black for this tutorial. Scroll down to the basic section and find the uniform scale option. Disable it. Adjust the width and height to properly fit under the character. Create another text layer and type in the character's name. Place it neatly on the top of the shape. Enable shadow and glow for more polished look. You can copy my settings for better results. Now select other layers except the main video layer and make them a compound clip. This will help keep everything organized and make animation easier. Time to add some movement. Select the compound clip and add a position keyframe at the start. Move the clip downwards so it disappears from the screen. Move a few frames forward and bring the clip back up to its original position. To smoothen the motion, right click on the keyframe and select preset curve. I will use the ease in graph to make a smoother transition. Now drag the compound clip between the two layers so it appears behind the character. This small tweak makes the animation look much more natural and visually appealing. Import the overlay, download it from my WhatsApp channel, place it above the compound clip and adjust it on the screen. Change its blend mode to overlay and increase its opacity for a subtle effect. Add a grid overlay and do the same, but this time change its blend mode to screen instead of overlay. And there you have it. Your documentary style character animation is ready. Within just a few simple steps you can create a clean, professional and engaging look for your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram for more updates, requests and behind the scene content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.